Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi. On this video, I want to talk about a nail kit. This nail kit that I purchased a while back ago. I don't know, I feel kind of strange saying last year, but yeah, it was last year during the summer of 2022. I purchased this and I've been using it ever since, playing around with it, seeing how I like it, if I don't like it, if I do, is it worth the purchase and everything. Because one way that I like to save money is by doing my own nails at home. I am not the one to regularly go to a nail salon and get my nails done. I'll probably go maybe like, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 times a year, but it's not something that I go regularly to a nail salon. I usually do my nails at home. These are my nails. They are pretty long, you know, for being like my natural nails. They're not too long, not too short. It's just fine. I like to take vitamin D, and I feel like that has also really helped with my dry, brittle nails, and for them not to like chip and stuff easily. I like to save money by doing my nails at home regularly, and I don't like the regular nail polish because that chips really easily. Like after that same day, like I'm already seeing chips. So I really wanted to do like gel nails at home. In the long run, it's a better investment to just get the items and do my gel nails at home than go to a salon on a regular basis. And that's what I've been doing now for the past year or so, and I have saved a lot of money. Now all the items, including the light that I purchased, which I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. So this is the LED light to kind of set the nails, and this is sold separate. Well, in my kit, it didn't came with the, you know, nail polish and everything, but I have seen on Amazon where they do sell like everything all together. Now, as far as the set, I found this to be really cheap. When I purchased this last year, I believe it was around $27. Now, this is how the set looks. It has all these different colors, and it has one base coat and two different options for top coat. One top coat can result in shiny, and the other one in the matte. The nail color itself are really good. I love the color. I love the variation. I love how affordable. Now, this is a lot of nail polish for the price. Like, it was very cheap in my opinion, because I purchased this full-size gel nail polish from Sally's Beauty, and it was like $7. And this is just one, compared to getting like all these different color of nail polish. Granted, they are pretty small, but the average person is not finishing an entire nail color. So I think for somebody like myself, I think something like this is absolutely perfect for me. Of course, if you are a professional nail technician, I don't think this would be like really convenient. I think this is more for somebody that is at home and they want to do their nails at home. But yeah, I really like how affordable. I like the variation of colors. It just gives me a nice variety of colors and at an affordable price. My only issue with this set is the top coats. I'm sorry, these are the two top coats. This is the matte and this is the shiny, and this is the base coat. Now, these two top coats, I don't even use them anymore because I've tried different ways to apply them this whole time that I've had this. I've tried different ways to apply it, and it just comes out clunky and uneven and not smooth at all. So I just don't use it anymore. But the base coat I still use. So the top coat that I have been using is this one that I purchased from Ulta, and this one's called Brilliance. And yeah, it's just, you know, this is just the red carpet manicure Brilliance. It says seal shine top coat nail gel, and I got this from Ulta, and this is the one that I've been wearing because this just applies smoothly, easily, and just a nice shine, as you guys can see. But yeah, this whole set is good, including the base coat. The only issue is going to be the top coat, but for the price, I think it's a really good deal. If you are somebody like myself that love to do their nails at home and you want to save some money and not spend, I don't know, how much are they charging now? Like $25, $30 to do gel nails at a beauty salon plus tip. I feel like this way is a lot more affordable. As far as how long my gels stay on me, for me it has lasted for like a week and a half. I'm really happy with that because, like I said, with regular nail polish, I don't even last a day before it starts to chip. But I'm really impressed with the gel nails. I'm really happy with this. I don't plan on going back, and it's just a way to save some money for me. And I really like that it has like all these different colors. And yeah, I'm really happy that, you know, Amazon came with these gel nail sets and just make it so affordable for people to do their own manicure at home without having to go to the nail shop and paying anywhere from $30 to $40 for a set of gel nails. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to do my review on the gel nails that I got from Amazon. I really like it. Everything is really good. The price, the amount of product and everything. Only thing not good is the top coat. The top coat, like I said, I suggest to get it somewhere else. Ulta has some top coats, Sally Fields. I mean, there's so many other top coats out there. But yeah, everything that I mentioned, I'm going to put it in my description. And hopefully this is still on Amazon, and I'll put the link there as well. I'll put the link to the top coat from Ulta as well if I can find it. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.